Hi again, my name is Andrea. In this short episode, I'm gonna show you how to make this clamp rack. Enjoy the video.
You can see I keep my clamps in scrap bin. It's a real mess, so I needed a quick solution. And I found it at the same spot. Some scrap cedar and elephant ear tree wood will do the trick. These are the pieces I will need. Use hearing and eye protection. I cut the end square of clamp support. Then I also cut the vertical piece square. I find the middle and cut it so I end up with two same pieces. I prepare miter saw for 45-degree cuts, and I cut the top pieces. With 2-inch screws, I secure them into the vertical pieces. The screws must stay under the top surface. Then I take off the screws and mark for the simple mortises on vertical pieces. Using 1/2-inch Forstner bit, I drill for the mortises. I chisel them freely as they don't have to be precisely made, they won't be seen at the end. I then apply glue and I assemble the top and side. On the second piece I made a mistake putting the glue on the wrong side. But then I repaired it fast. Now, if you don't sand the piece when putting signature, it won't completely stick onto the wood, as you can see now. Again, this won't be seen. I then assemble everything in place. I use 1-inch screws to put it in the top shelf. I also put the screw into the side so it doesn't slide out. And there you go. You can like, comment and share, and if you didn't, subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time, take care and thanks for watching.